just cleaning up at the end of the day. Gotta get as much ink off the stone as possible. You know what? Let's try if this will work. I got a grip clean wipe here. And it's just taking the ink right off the stone. So that's just one section of a grip clean wipe. So not only can they clean our hands from the ink here in the shop, they could also clean the ink stone. So I'm just folding to another section, and it's just taking it right off. That was one grip clean wipe. So I would say, I think it does a pretty good job.